successful trading.
Our traders in our Discord room are recording 10 baggers week in and week out. Our one-on-one coaching featuring flow algo, technical analysis, position sizing, and risk management.
While we learn to trade options as a beginner.
So welcome to Successful Trading for this Tuesday, June the 16th, 2020 daily market recap. We used to call it a Tuesday from hell, but lately it has simply turned into Puts Scalping Tuesday. Let's just show you how we did it today. All right, very good, folks. This morning, the markets, actually, let's start with the overall picture of the markets as we usually do on here at Successful Tradings. So, since, when did we do that last daily market recap video? Friday or something? Yeah, so, well, on Monday, we got down. And that dip, if you consider it a dip or was bought big time. So we finished with a green candle. And from that momentum, today on Tuesday, we gapped up bigly. To keep up with the volatility, we could not go any further. So SPY, after gapping up, how many points on here? 8 points from 307 close yesterday to 315.48. Came back, filled the gap, and did a bunch of sideways for almost 4 hours. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. It was one of those days, folks. Yeah, not much going on, right? So just data burning on here, or just tired of running. So it's going to be interesting because now we have recaptured on the daily charts. We have recaptured the exponential moving average 8 period, as well as the exponential moving average 20, which the green one, the yellow is the exponential moving average 8 period. That was scary on here to figure out but yet it's the gap. There's still a gap. Because we got down from 319, so we closed at 312 today in a very, very frustrating session. So we have Wednesday, Thursday left, and Friday, which is OPEX. Yeah, expiration for most of the option. So it's going to be very, very, very interesting. Actually, this is the quadruple witch, isn't it? Because the quarterly, they will be, oh boy. Woo, we can't wait to be on to Friday, folks. It's going to be very, very interesting. So what did we do today? Our subscribers in our Discord room, we had some good setups from yesterday, and some traded a lot of stocks that we will be recapping for you on Friday, as we usually do here on this channel, giving you the performance review of our trigger alerts. But some news came in early this morning in pre-market regarding a stock that's it's here, it's IQ. So for us, from the get-go, I actually gave the subscriber, believe it or not, they will attest of that. I gave them 3 stocks that we could fade today. Bidu was one of them. So you could have faded Bidu here from 128. If you were lucky, 127, it closed at 122. So that's 5 points. Not bad at all. You could have faded our friend JD. Okay. Is JD's reputation of fading, especially on Tuesday? We have a research, folks. This is not just something that Successful Trading is talking about. We have research that's posted on our blog at successfultrading.com. Check it out. So yeah, fading JD on Tuesday is a thing. It's a strategy. It's a methodology. Well, today you will have quickly, because each candle here represents 15 minutes. So within the first 2 hours, you have been able to go from 61. Yeah, this was a print at 61.27 all the way to 58. So almost 3 points there. So that's that. But then it rallied because that's what JD is so strong these days, guys. I mean, I need to get into trading JD more just because of the opportunity that offers it, in both directions. But if you didn't do either Bidu, as we told you, or JD, and you decided to come with us and settle on IQ. So for us, let's go the video replay of the trade on IQ, how we faded it from the get-go, because huge gap. The stock was upward, over 30% on news that Tencent was trying to take over from Bidu. So the control of the company of IQ, that is. So let's still use our replay on here. We'll actually do that on here. I think, how are we set up as of now? Let's do this. So can I do replay? Okay. So we're gonna just start here. and each candle going to represent 5 minutes, and then we're gonna do that super fast, so every 1 second or faster. I think that's good enough. So I'm just gonna describe it for you here. Let's go. All right, so we are starting way outside of the upper Bollinger, obviously, and within that first 5-minute candle, we closed below VWAP. VWAP was at 18 something at the time, so just straight up. And then each candle is 5 minutes, so folks, you have to imagine waiting for this, right? So, and then we are trading below the upper Bollinger. We touch actually the below the exponential moving average. The 8 period is in yellow, and the green one is the exponential moving average 20. So we touched the lower Bollinger, and for us, I think we sold some of our position here. We were trading the 23.5 puts on there. They double, yeah, more than double a little bit overall. And then after that, the market wasn't going anywhere. A lot of sideways action. So this, you can recognize this from the get-go, and just when you get into this channel, you just say, okay, forget about it. You sold the position, or you figure, hey, there's time left into the trade. You still have Wednesday and Thursday. So typically we sell these on swing trade on Thursday, unless we have setup that's really we take into Friday. So if this was a tell you, I would have taken this one into Friday by hedging meaning by taking some calls. And this close here was very interesting because the prints came in somewhere in between. That there was some print that came in, and those prints were at over 1 million share. I believe actually let me check on here. Because the print that came in were really, if those were they were buying the shares, that's really promising to be something to look for. So we will be looking forward to that in the next coming days. So there were 3 prints, right? Around what time did they come in? We had prints around so one between 1 and 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. So print of 231,000 share at 24.28. That's the one I was referring to. And then a print at of 288,000 shares at 23.08. Yeah, meaning they bought it when yeah, because the dip here, what's the low of the day here? The low of the day was 22.60. So they bought at 23, they bought at 23.85, they bought 1 million share at 23.85. So that's 3 different prints. So the amount of money, $26 million plus $7 million plus $6 million, that's, if my math is correct, will take us to just shy of $40 million that were put for somebody spent on this stock. So for us, hey, that leads us into a unique setup going forward for the rest of the week and the future, because we don't know what's the outcome of this. I'm not sure what are they saying on can we go on stock tweets on here quickly? What are they saying? So on IQ, well, here's the big picture, as you can imagine, with this huge gap up. Obviously the relative strength on here is above 80. So how is it going to fare with that? That will be very interesting. So some of the remark on here on stock tweet, we will see what happens. I can't predict the future, but it sure does look good right now. To my family of IQ bulls here, I will wait until the gap is filled before buying more. Stay-at-home stock, considering the new corona quarantine news coming out of China, it should go significantly higher. Okay. So that's some of the comments on here on stocks. If 2 of the biggest streaming services were to merge, what will the price be then? Okay, and then signs of takeoff of an airplane. I think China won. Okay, if this deal goes through, this is going to be too big. It's like Netflix and Amazon Prime becoming one company. Nice set could seize 52-week high this week. So yeah, the volume. Yeah, let's talk about the volume a little bit here. The volume today was 70 million. The average volume on here is 7 million. So 10 times the volume on there. So definitely something something is up. So for us, it's a trade that we have to be in as an arbitrage overall. So we will even consider taking a longer position onto this, because either this gap is going to be filled back, or this stock will need to show us why so much money was spent on it today. So if you are so inclined, if you are available, if you are enjoying the content of this channel. So we will invite you in our next daily market recap or weekly market recap, where we will be telling you about the rest of our position on IQ, on how our alerts, overall subscription alerts are performed overall. Until then, have a great morning, a great afternoon, a great evening, wherever you're watching from, and we catch you on the next episode of our daily market recap on successful tradings. Bye-bye.